Dehradun, a valley of about 25-kilometer radius, well known for its scenic beauty and relaxed life, a city between Himalayan and Shivalik range. The Doon Valley, Dehradun, is the capital city of the state of Uttarakhand, just 236 km north of India's capital New Delhi, and is being developed as an alternative center of growth to help ease the migration and population explosion in the Delhi metropolitan area. The city is well connected by road, rail and airways in proximity to popular Himalayan tourist destination Mussoorie, along with the Himalayan pilgrimage circuit of Char Dham. Dehradun is renowned for its natural resources and prestigious educational institutes. It hosts some of India's best schools and institutions of national importance, such as the Doon School, Indian Military Academy, Survey of India, Forest Research Institute. RA Construction, a civil and a construction company well known for its quality service, is working to shape this valley since 2006. With the support of our professional construction team and innovative ideas, we have triumphed in accomplishing a number of residential and commercial projects in the city. Rock Valley Apartment, a group housing project near ISBT. Dwarkapuri, residential villa at GMS Road. Arjun Enclave, a unique kind of integrated residential project, Alaknanda Enclave, GMS Road. Doon 1, a 9-story commercial project at New Kent Road, Dilaram Chowk, Rajpur Road. Arjun Home Ladpur at Shivalik Colony, Raipur Road. Arjun Home Vyomprasth at GMS Road. RMC Plant, the ultra-modern concrete technology, ready-mix concrete plant with transit mixer and pumping concrete up to 10th floor. With never-ending and can-do attitude of Mr. Rajendra Agrawal, with the trust of our client in our work and service, we are unveiling our dream project, Penguin Valley, on Rajpur Road near Mussoorie Diversion Fountain. A place to unwind, to connect with nature, where peace of mind is supreme, where untold hassles have been excluded and nature is just a window away, where you can get your full share of sunlight and air. The place where the sky above and the earth below is only for you. That celebrates this wide and wonderful world, and this place can only be a home, a sweet home. Nature has oriented a great combination of natural art and modern feeling together. Natural landscaping, wind flow from Mussoorie Hills, a riverside view with a bridge between, heavenly feelings with unabated open views of Mussoorie Hills on all 4 sides and nested near 150 acres of verdant reserve forest of Malsi. Penguin Valley, a state-of-art integrated project with international standards of lifestyle. An experience to rejuvenate your feelings and senses. A perfect combination of nature with innovative design, quality, style, peace, and great architecture. Penguin Valley offers you a universal lifestyle with all amenities reinforced with premium specification. Aesthetically crafted living spaces with natural light, ventilation, and open view of hills, bright and well-situated drawing and dining, well-lit and spacious modular kitchen, master bedroom that epitomize global lifestyle. The best of retail products and services at your doorstep or in a very close proximity. Penguin Valley offers a rare opportunity to own a luxurious lifestyle at an exceptional price and great future value appreciation. Penguin Valley, a step close to nature, a step to peaceful, healthy and happy life.